Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Okay, what do we have today? We have tomato. Yes, organic. Cucumber. Havarti cheese. A couple of pasture-raised eggs. Some sourdough bread, some butter, some salt. How you guys doing? Maybe I'll say happy 4th of July. I'm not sure. I could put this one out for 4th of July. But it's got nothing to do with 4th of July. It's a fried egg, 2 fried eggs, tomato and cucumber sandwich. Is going to be killer diller. Let's chop up the produce first, and then we'll go to the stove. Put this baby together. See you then. Take that part off, take that part off. Get rid of those. Zing. And then just slice these cukes like this. All right. And those are going to be on the sandwich with the fried egg and cheese. Okay, get these done. There's your tomato. All right. I'll meet you at the stove, and we'll put this bad boy together. A little butter to start. That's all you need. Mix that baby around. There's 1 egg right there. I'm putting 2 eggs in here. That's a baby. Here's the other one. Perfections! Put a little pepper. That's perfect. All right. These guys could be flipped right now. The old flipperoo. To that little cheese-a-roo right there. Lower it. Let's get that toast, put this baby together. All right, little butter on both sides. Not a lot, because we're going to put some other stuff on here. Now, what I didn't mention earlier was we're going to put some mayo on this guy. Tomatoes. Put those babies right here. There's another one. Don't, everybody calm down. Here's your cucumbers. Cumberson. It's going to be so deliciously good and healthy for you. A little salt. Not a lot, because that'll take the health right away. Some peppers. Put them on both sides. I mean, come on. Here's 1 egg. We put that baby right there. There's another egg. We put that baby right there. You guys ready for the flipperoo? I am. Look at that. Oh, that's a beauty. That's a baby if I ever saw one. Look at that yolk. Yolk is just blowing up. Slicer. Oh, things are happening to the humans. There's the old reveal. Well, there's your close-up. How about a big bite coming up? Let's do that one. Killer fried egg, cheese, cucumber, tomatoes. Here's the big bite. The cheese, the eggs are creamy. The sweetness from the tomato. This is killer diller. Get a little protein from the eggs, cheese. I can't tell. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at my YouTube channel. Subscribe, tell people about it. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
Well, center it. There you go. I'm not kidding. Or girl, you don't have to just call it a guy. It makes a lot of weird noises. Here's your tomatoes. That's it. I mean, it's a big deal. And tomatoes. Why do you do these things? So's the mayo. You can hear the crunch from the puke. It's for the outtakes. Great sandwich. Mommy. Mama. Papa. Things happen. Sweet Babu. Till next time. Look at this. Look what my wife has. These. They might have CBD in them. Who knows? Baba.